the mean as a center of balance. Okay, suppose that you put 2 pennies at different locations on your ruler. Do you think you could figure out how to balance the ruler on one finger so that the ruler remains level? Okay, try it out. If you wiggle your finger too much, you can put your pencil on the desk and balance it on your pencil. Put your pencil on your desk and balance the ruler on your pencil if your finger wiggles too much. Okay? Okay, so some of you ninjas are doing it. Okay, write down what you did and all right, who's got an answer for how to do it? Put your finger on the stick. Okay. Hold it. Penny here. Hold it. Okay, but she did it too, and look at where her pennies are. Put them on the end. She did it too, and I saw it. It was balanced. Where was your finger? Okay, so it was right in the middle of those 2 pennies. Where was your finger? Okay. So, what can you tell me about the distance from your finger to each penny? Equal. It has to be the same. So whether they're very close to your finger or very far, if they are the same distance, they are going to balance out. Is everybody happy with that? Write that down. Go, go, go. Can I write that they have to be equal distance from each other? Yes. I'm not writing it down for you. You're writing it down for yourself. I am not your maid or your scribe.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Get it.
On the same side or the opposite sides? Okay. All right. That was just round 1. Okay, we're about to level it up. We're going to increase the stakes. Okay, now you get 3 pennies. Different locations. What are you going to have to do? Okay, so this should be level if you didn't figure that out. Okay, so most of us figured out that we could do, here's our finger. We could do penny, penny, penny over the finger. Did everybody get that one? Okay, we got the equidistant pennies. And then we got the penny. Okay, now I want you to see if you could do it with 3 pennies where the 3rd penny is not over your finger.
No, I didn't do anything.
Okay, try it out. Okay, I want you to put your pennies at, let's do 3 even numbers.
4, 6, 8.
Let's do a higher number. 4, 6, and pick a big number.
85.
No, on your ruler.
Well, 25.
We can go up to 30.
Let's do 30.
Okay.
Let's do 30.
Okay. Where do you have to put your finger to make it balance? If you put your pennies at 4, 6, and 30. Find the balance point. Oh, shoot. No, okay. All right. Everybody with me? Okay. Guys, we're going to try finding the mean. Just kidding. First, we're going to do the median. What is the median of those 3 numbers? 6. Is that a balance point for the ruler? Does it balance if you put your finger under the 6? Okay, you guys writing? So this is a no. Okay, now we're going to find the mean. So if I add up 4 plus 6 plus 30, what do we get? 40. Okay, divide 40 by 3. What do you get? That doesn't sound right. 13.3. Repeating, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I want you to put your pennies at those locations. Put your finger at 13.3 repeating, so 13 and a third, and see if that's a balance point for the pennies.
Nah.
Is it not working with 30?
No. 30 is like.
Is it the 30 that's messing it up?
I
Okay,
did it.
you did it?
Oh, it's your.
Yeah.
I did.
Okay, so let's try some different numbers. So, what do you want to do? 2, no. Let's do 5, 8. 5 and 8 is 13. How do I get, what about, oh my God, I'm having a brain fart. What is this, 13? I am. What about 12?
Sure.
You wanna see something cool?
Now we have to redo our board.
Now they're all.
Okay, so what is the new median? It's 8. Okay, so that's not going to work.
Are we just changing?
Yeah, we changed numbers. Those numbers sucked.
Oh.
What if we did 7, 14, and 28?
No. Okay, try it. All right, let's try these. 7. 14.
Now we're doing 7, 14. Yeah, she said that on everybody. Please say, oh.
No.
Don't worry, you'll get it. Someday.
Okay, so it feels like it should be about between 15 and 16. So what is the mean of 7, 14, and 27?
It's my brain.
7 plus 14 plus 27. 48 divided by 3, 16. So, kinda. All right. Well, what the X bar was, what was it, 16? Is 16 a balance point? Or can you feel like it's close? Okay, someone's got it. Okay, so we're going to say yes, thank God. Okay. All right, we got to move on. Now, there are some things that maybe the reasons why this didn't work, like maybe we had more empty ruler on this side than the other side, so that like tipped it where it shouldn't have gotten tipped. So for next year, I'm going to challenge kids to pick numbers like between certain values so we don't get one so much on the ends, because that seemed to mess us up a lot. Okay, what are the units for our mean? 16 what? Centimeters, right? Okay, what does the mean represent? Okay, guys, it's focus time. So what happened to the distances? Hey, what happened to the distances of the pennies when you found the balance point?
They didn't fall off. It balanced.
It balanced. So the mean is the center of balance. Okay, how far away from the mean is each penny? Okay, pay attention to whether each penny is greater than or less than the mean. Okay, so you're going to show me that with a sign. So how far was the 7 penny from 16?
-9.
It's -9. Okay, so the 7 penny was -9. What about the 14 penny? -2. And then what about the 27 penny? Good. Okay, does anybody see anything special?
4. Oh, I did.
What do you see?
He said like, it's like -9.
Uh-huh.
9 plus -2
Uh-huh.
equals 11.
Uh-huh.
So they're kind of like, no, it doesn't. Yes, it does. Plus -9 plus negative.
Okay, all right, we're going to go with this idea. What happens?
They're equal.
What happens when we add these differences?
Yeah, for real, you get 0. Telling you.
Okay, taking into account the plus and minus, what do you get? So -9 minus 2 plus 11, we get 0. Does that make sense why it has to be the center of balance?
Yes.
Okay, because the distances are canceling each other out. The differences from the mean, I should say, are canceling each other out because distance is always positive. All right. Okay, what is the deviation for the pennies at 3 centimeters? How far, in what direction are they from the mean? Are they bigger or smaller than the mean? Smaller, by how much? 2. Okay, so -2, right? Easy, right? Okay, and then the deviation for the penny at 9 is what? How much bigger is 9 than 5? 4. Okay, so we had 2 pennies at -2. So we had a -2 plus a -2 plus a 4. What do we get? 0. Okay.
Why didn't you just do?
Huh?
Oh wait, never mind.
Okay, we're skipping number 13. Okay, determining the center for a data display. We are going to be examining some of the data that we collected in activity 1.2 and exploring how the value of the mean balances the deviations of the data set from which it was calculated. For this activity, you will need the number of pets variable. Okay, so the first thing we're going to have to do is clean up that data. So you're going to go back to your 1.2 activity sheet in your Chromebook. Go. Your 1.2 Google Sheet, where we have the number of pets, age. What did we have to do to our data before we could use it? Yeah, we had to clean it up because it had all of our kinds of units in it. Okay, so look at the number of pets. Are we going to have to do that with this number of pets, or are we good? All right. Yes. Thank God. Okay. So, also you're going to have to pull up. Wait, what are we doing? Oh, we're going to find the mean of each of the following. Okay, so on your calculator, I want you to find the mean, mode. Oh, find the five number summary first, it says. So your min, your max, your quartiles 1 and 2, and your, I forgot what else we did. Oh, quartiles 1, 2, and 3 is what I'm trying to say. You can. I'm just going to do it on the calculator. You guys remember how to do your one variable stats on the calculator? Okay, will someone read them off to me? Because I can't have my calculator up and read my things. Hold on. You're too fast for me. Okay. Okay, 2. Jeez. 4? 4 twice? 3 times?
16,
Ooh!
0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 2.
All right. That was fun. Okay, so just to review over one variable stats on the calculator, you can go to the stat button, go to the calculate menu, and hit number 1 for one variable stats. Hit enter a bunch of times, and it will tell you all of the numbers for your 5-number summary right here. You can make a box plot right out of those numbers. Okay, will you guys write these down? The min and the quartiles, the median, and the max. I'm going to write them down on my sheet. Five-number summary. So the quartiles, the median, and then the max and the min. Okay. So I'm doing the min was 0. Quartile 1 was 1. Q2, also known as the median or center, was 2. Q3 was 4. And my max was 16. Is that what you guys got? Okay, that worked out kind of nice. All right, let's find the mean. Well, that was on my calculator. It's a one-stop shop. So my mean was 3.21. 3.21 pets. What was the mode? What was the most repeated? Was it 4?
There's 2.
2 was 6 times? Okay, so the mode was 2. 2 pets. Okay, the range, 16 minus 0, 16. Oops, I keep trying to write something weird. Okay, what about the interquartile range? Remember that's Q3 minus Q1. It is 3 pets. Notice that all of those have the same units. It's just pets, 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 pets. Pets, pets, pets. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is some vocab. All right, we're going to do quiz.